So I was actually facing the same issue and I figured out a way of actually fixing it. So right here is my device. Looking right here, you can see what's actually saying here. It's saying here no internet connection. Please retry when connected to internet. So if you are facing the same issue, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix no internet connection error on Roblox. Alright guys, let's dive right into the video without wasting much of your time. So the first step you need to take right here on your device like this is to go to your phone settings. So you need to go to your phone settings like this and click on, alright, let me quickly switch this to a light mode so that you'll be able to be seeing what I'm showing you. So right here is my settings. Looking right here, you'll be able to see where it says app. So you need to go to the app section like this in order to see the list of apps you have on your device. Now at the top right corner, you can see the search button. You need to go ahead and click on the search button like this. When you do that, you'll be able to see, or if you're not seeing the Roblox, you need to go ahead and search for Roblox like this and click on it. So the next step you need to take here is to clear the Roblox data and cache by clicking on storage like this. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see where it says clear cache. So you need to go ahead and click on clear cache as well as click on clear data. This is going to actually help to resolve the bug issue if that is actually a bug issue from your app. So sometimes the Roblox app might get to do something like this if the Roblox storage is actually freed up. So you need to go ahead and click on clear cache and clear data. That is actually going to help to fix the problem. I actually tried this for the first time, yet the problem was not actually fixed. So this was actually what I did next. Looking right here on your device, you'll be able to see where it says airplane mode. Now when you scroll down like this, you'll be able to see airplane mode on your device. So you need to go ahead and turn on airplane mode like this. So when you do that like this, you need to turn it off like this and you'll be able to fix your internet connection. Sometimes it is actually your internet connection that is actually making you to see that error on Roblox. So if that is the issue, then you need to resolve the internet connection by doing just this. Alright guys, so the next step you need to take, if after doing this yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can go ahead and try to update your Roblox app by going to your Play Store or App Store like this and click on the search button. Then go ahead and search for Roblox. So when you search for Roblox like this, you'll be able to see Roblox on your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. So if yours says updates like mine, then you need to go ahead and click on updates and get yours updated. And if after updating it, yet the issue actually persists, then you need to go ahead and restart your device. By restarting your device, you'll be able to fix this problem. So these are the steps you can actually take in order to fix no internet connection error on Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful. Now we've come to the very end of this video. Now give this video a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and tell me as well if you're still having any problem related to this video. I wouldn't hesitate to give you a feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.